Greetings and welcome to Great Life Zone. When you overthink, you stress out your brain and put extra load on body and mind. As a result, you are stressed and anxious. Maybe you spend too much time analyzing and tend to think negative. This further results into judgments getting cloudy. Overall, it may become difficult to lead a normal life. Naturally, one would ask, how to stop overthinking? If you think you are an overthinker, here are 10 simple ideas which can be helpful to you to free yourself from overthinking. Number 1. Be aware of your habit of overthinking. Accepting that there is this habit which needs correction is the first step towards improvement. In case you are not sure yet if you are an overthinker, we have already uploaded a video, 15 signs you are an overthinker, which you can check out. As soon as you find yourself doubting or feeling stressed or anxious when called upon to take a decision, step back and look at the situation and see how you are responding. This is the right beginning of the change you want to make. Number 2. Focus on positive outcome rather than negative. Nobody can predict the future outcome of any action taken today. Therefore, take wise, calculated, and informed decision, but don't overthink that what can go wrong. Rather, focus on what can go right. Number 3. Conquer your fears. In many cases, overthinking is largely caused by a single emotion, fear. When you are prejudiced or operate out of fear, you become a negative thinker. You tend to focus on all the likely negative outcomes. Fear can freeze your mind and you are unable to take action. Next time you sense that you are starting to move in that direction, stop. Think of all the things that can go right and keep on visualizing those thoughts. Number 4. Don't sweat the small stuff. Probably you have heard this expression before also. If you are a habitual overthinker, you should really take it seriously. There are things in life you can control and there are things over which you have no control. Know the things you can't control and accept them for what they are. For example, the delay of your flight because of bad weather is not in your control. Extending the same logic, don't use all your energy to control each and everything that falls in controllable category. Accept that the small stuff is not worth your time and energy. So let go of a few things. Of course, it shall take some time and a little practice, but the benefits shall be much more rewarding than the cost of letting go. That way you will think big and always focus on bigger, more important things. You will worry less. You will stop fretting over small stuff. Number 5. Stop waiting for perfection. This is a big one. For all of us who are waiting for perfection, we can stop waiting right now. Being ambitious is great, but aiming for perfection is unrealistic, impractical, and debilitating. The moment you start thinking, this needs to be perfect, is the moment you need to remind yourself waiting for perfect is never as smart as making progress. Number 6. Take yourself into happiness zone. It certainly helps to get into some engaging activities like meditation, yoga, exercising, music, dancing, or spending some time in nature. The idea is to involve yourself into some activities which make you happy and positive. During the time spent there, you can distance yourself from compulsive habit of overthinking and shut down the over-analysis. Number 7. Don't try to be a perfectionist. It is a very big prize to find perfection in everything all the time. For example, every year, the car manufacturing companies launch new products which are better than previous year's car. The new cars are better in terms of technology, comfort, looks, etc. But do they wait for the perfect car? No. They keep researching and doing improvements, and so should you. Number 8. Accept yourself as you are. There is often a feeling in the minds of overthinkers that you are not good enough or there is not enough data to take a decision. This needs to be checked or rather reversed. Once you have done your best, accept it and as such, take action. Realize that while success or failure may also be outcome of some things you can't control, you have done what you could do. Number 9. Put a timer to activities at work. Set yourself a time limit on regular or routine activities. Similarly, give yourself 5 minutes or 10 minutes of time to think, research, and analyze or perhaps worry also for a new but regular issue. Once the timer goes off, grab a pen and paper and quickly write down all the negative things that are bothering you, stressing you, or giving you anxiety. Find the opposite possibilities which are positive or think of the positive solutions. Read it thoroughly. When the 10 minutes is up, throw the paper into waste paper basket and move on. Number 10. Be grateful. Attitude of gratitude can have a magical effect. It is not possible to have negative emotions like worry, fear, and a positive feeling of being grateful at the same time. So why not replace the negative thoughts with positive thoughts and feelings? Make a list of things you are grateful for in your life and thank higher powers and people who help you with that. Do this every morning and every night. You can also write a gratitude journal. Overthinking is something so natural that it can happen to anyone. But if you have an effective system in place for dealing with it, you can at least ward off some of the negative feelings, anxiety, stress, and turn it into something useful, productive, and effective. I hope you will find this video useful. You may like to read the detailed article with more suggestions on this subject. We have given the link in the description box below. If you like this video, then please do share and give us thumbs up. I would also urge you to visit our website greatlifezone.com and also do get connected with us on Facebook. The link to our Facebook page is on your screen. For more videos in future, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.